MINISTA Ûcokanîria bwandene na ubangania bwa thirikari Profesa KINDIKI na akinyite NTEERE cia IGEMBE na arekite MUCEMANIO na MABISAA bwa UKARIA kenda kwariria UKARIA NTEERE akere nyuma ya MUCEMANIO juria bagwikite KINDIKI augite bakarwa na WAAMBA bwa NDITHIA bura bonekete gutabarikia NTEERE cia AMERU akiuga ni baibangite na bari na NTEERE cia gukandana na MAITHA baba ntuku inkai thiru NDITHIA ni cieyirwe NTEERE cia tigania na ni untu buthuritie anene baba ingi ba AMERU bareo abunge na kinyakuru banjori ncheke kuja kwa CS Ojo Meru narwa ni wirigiro bonene kiria kari county ne ije CS Ûcokanîria bwandene no bangania bwa thirikari Profesa KINDIKI na akinyukite NTEERE cia kamweli ne gutongeria MUCEMANIO juu UKARIA.
Any other area that is experiencing repeated livestock raids and the death of the citizens of this area from criminals who come to take their cattle. Make it your priority security number one.
Gukirikano gwantu kukathumba na ndia karimia nkene ya AMERU na county ya Tori ni bethirito bagikayani makarika jampi thukiro cia MAITHA na WAAMBA bwa NDITHIA.
Of late, I think in the last 2 weeks, there have been raid after raid. Every day there is a raid. Every 2 days there is a raid. This cannot be left to continue anymore.
CS KINDIKI najukitie kanya Ûcokanîria wirigiro kiria kari akinyiria thirikari gachwa NTEERE cia gutigira untu bubu ni bugukinya MUTHIA.
And we together will work and eliminate this problem in the shortest time possible.
Na ritete mukana kiri MABISAA bwa UKARIA baria kuga kuri bo bethirito bagituma ochore na enyangia baba.
You have to choose whether you want to remain in service or we allow you to join the other criminals out there.
Agitariria na ndene na ugite ni amukirite ukuja ate kuri na MABISAA baborithi bagutumirwa kiri mibango mwanya mwanya ya wenyangia.
They are looking the other way and allowing criminals to get away with crime. Some of them are being induced through monetary gains to allow criminals perpetuate other crimes, including narcotics and the transportation of aliens, illegal aliens through our country. Others are being used to assist drug traffickers to achieve their evil schemes. So those few officers who are damaging the image of our country's security formations, again,
na ugite thirikari ikabajukiria matagare ja marito uria ukagwatikana na ukuji wa maitia.
We are taking action against officers who are already serving either in uniform or without uniform, who we get evidence that they are part and parcel of the problem.
Giagwetera nandi ni kuona kithira MUCEMANIO jwa ntuku ya narwa jugachiara matunda na guchukia wirigiro kiria karibara bethiritwo bagikujira mpithukiro cia MAITHA.